Today, we'll make a dry erase flashcard for the letter A. You can say that it is a low-cost, no-cost reusable project. It is a great indoor activity that will help little preschoolers to learn initial sound of A and to write it. Let's begin. A piece of cardboard, a colorful paper, decorative tape, white scotch tape, pair of scissors, black markers, and some colors. Cut the colorful paper according to the size of the cardboard. Attach the colorful paper with the piece of cardboard with glue. Now draw different things having A as initial sound. Arrow. Apple. Ant. Cut, making them like stickers. Write capital and small a with thick marker. Draw a dotted line in the middle of the letters. Glue the drawn objects on the right side of the letters. Color the objects. Use the white scotch tape to cover the front of the flashcard. Make the border with the decorative tape. Let's check it. It works. Well done!